Today I will show you how to change the aspect ratio on CapCut, and if you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to log into your CapCut account on your mobile phone. Now once you log in, if you don't have an account, you can just sign up and then create an account. Once you're logged in, you're going to come to edit and you're going to choose the video that you want to change the aspect ratio for. Now let's say I want to change the aspect ratio for this video. Now as you can see, this video is already in the landscape with a black background. At the bottom, when you scroll past the features that CapCut offers you, for the last but one feature, you see aspect ratio. You click on it and you can see the different aspect ratios that are available. Now there are different aspect ratios. The 9:16 is recommended for TikTok. 1:1 is recommended for Instagram, and we have other aspect ratios also. So let's choose 16:9. You can see the aspect ratio for the video decreased. You see it's changing. So this is where you choose it. Now, another thing I'd like to also let you know is that once you choose the aspect ratio and you click on the check mark, it's always best to use a background instead of having this plain background. You can just at the bottom for the last feature, you see background. You choose background. Now once you choose background, you choose an image. You can choose any image on your phone to use as the background, or you can choose these images that are here. And as you can see, the background is better now. And then you click on export and your aspect ratio should take effect. Now that's how to change aspect ratio on CapCut. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.